This is Mike. Today I want to talk about Apex Technology Acquisition Corp. It was a pretty hot SPAC that got pretty beaten up yesterday. It was down almost 9% and then down another 1% after hours. It's now trading at $13.84, and this was a stock that was as high at one point as almost $17. As you can see, the past 5 days, even after that rise, it's begun to pull back here. Now, I do think there's a great opportunity to get into Apex because there's nothing wrong with the merger. The merger is still going to happen. And it's going to be with AvePoint, which is a leader in cloud management of Microsoft 365. And I do think the business that AvePoint in is going to continue to grow because even after the vaccine and everything returns to normal, you're still going to have a lot of people who are going to be working remotely. And because of that, you're going to need sort of a cloud-based system for everybody to manage their workflow through Microsoft 365. As you can see here, the big three services to migrate, manage, and protect data through Microsoft 365. AvePoint definitely has an opportunity to continue to grow. So the thing about the pullback here is that I think we just had a general rotation out of the big high flyers over the past month. We saw the big EV stocks like NEO and XPeng pull back. Apex, the other SPACs have pulled back. These are the buying opportunities that you have to take advantage of. It's kind of scary to see a stock fall like this, but there are two questions you have to ask. One is, was the pullback related to anything directly about the company? If the answer is no, then that's a good sign. Is the stock still above its 50-day moving average? It's still above its 50-day moving average. So if you take both of those into considerations, and also is the pullback within a 10 trading day period? Now, if the answers for all of those are yes, then more often than not, this is a stock that's going to move back up. It's just simply moving down because of short-term trading or simply it was overbought. Now, I do think we may have a couple of more days of selling because yesterday gold and the S&P 500 were both up. And usually when gold moves up with the S&P 500, the S&P 500 will sell off. So we may get a down day today. And so we may get continued selling in Apex. But I do think there's an opportunity to buy into a company that's in generally good shape, that's just been overbought and you have some short-term challenge. So definitely take a look at Apex, take a look at the other SPACs. Anything that you want to buy, now's the time to buy. You have to be sort of contrarian when you think about that, be greedy when others are fearful, that tried and true saying. So Apex trades on NASDAQ and symbol APXT. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.